Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to do now a comparison between the Bragi Dash Pro and the Jabra Elite 65T. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so in this review, we're going to really focus on just a few things. Now, the full review is going to be available on the common area. It's also in the channels area as well. I'll put it up here. It should pop up so you can click on it if you want to see the full review for each one of these. But we're just going to focus on a couple things. We're going to focus on what I get asked all the time in the comments area. What's the battery life? What's the Bluetooth range like? What is the fit like? Do they cause fatigue or not? How is the audio quality? You know, when I'm listening to music. And then the other thing is call quality, because that's something that, you know, a lot of these type of earbuds have failed at providing a real good experience. So we're going to cover those, and maybe one other thing as we do the review, we're going to do it outside, we're going to do it in a noisy environment so that you can come to the conclusion as to which one addresses your needs the most. Now, one thing that we're going to just mention right out, right from the beginning is that the Bragi Dash is significantly more expensive. You're looking at $329 versus something that's $169. So pricing may be another concern for you, but you've been asking for this review, so let's get to it.
All right, guys, so we're going to continue our review of the Bragi Dash, and I currently have them in my ear, so you can see them. We'll do side to side. You can see what they look like. They are small. They don't really come out. They're very similar to the Jabra Elite, but we're also checking out the audio quality. So a couple things to point out rather quickly on the earbuds. You are going to get 5 hours of battery life, which is very similar to the Jabra Elite, but you don't have quick charging. Now, with the included battery, you have around 30 hours of battery life, so you can put them in and charge them, but you're not going to get that rapid charge technology that we saw with the Jabra Elite, where you can get within, a 10-minute charge, you can get, or 15 minutes, you can get like an hour and a half of battery life. So that's pretty good. Now, as far as the audio goes, light on the bass. So this is even lighter than I find than the Elite. Mids and highs are there, but it's, again, no bass really, very, very light. So the experience is a little bit different. Now, the earbuds do have, I would say, some different settings in the application that allows you to adjust for various things that I'm looking at the app right now. So the app is a little bit better, and it also has this feature that we're going to share with you that is called the windscreen. The windscreen technology makes it easier to hear the person you're speaking to, but at the same time, it's supposed to improve also the call quality. So I've just turned on windscreen. I'm out. I'm in Chicago. It's cold. You can see the snow behind me. I do have some cars passing by, so you can see what the audio sounds like. And this is with the windscreen on. So you tell me what it sounds like. We'll see that in a couple of seconds. I'm going to go ahead and turn that windscreen now off, and now it's off. So this is what it sounds like with the windscreen off. We'll do it one more time. And now what we have is windscreen on. So in addition to the overall features that we talked about, the battery life, you do get 4 gigabytes of storage with these. These get regularly updated. They're almost like mini computers. So just recently they had Amazon Alexa built in, so they're literally inside of the earbuds. You also then have the fact that these are 100% waterproof, so you can go swimming with these too. So if you're one of those people that like to use your earbuds for swimming, these earbuds, you can definitely do that as well. And once again, that's what they sound like. So if you have any questions, leave them in the channel area, because these are the Bragi Dash Pro. So now we're using the Jabra Elite 65T. So you can hear the audio quality. You're going to get 5 hours of battery life. You do have that quick charging technology. You don't have that windscreen technology that we just enabled with the Bragi Dash, but you do have the 4 mic array system that helps with the actual noise, either wind or, in this case, any kind of vehicles that are passing by. You don't have onboard storage. The Bragi Dash does have 4 gigabytes of onboard storage for music, and they are not submersible or you could use them for swimming like the Bragi Dash can. And I wouldn't put these in the category that they're going to be like computers or things that you can regularly update and program like you can the Bragi Dash Pro. But this is the audio experience, so let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.
All right, guys, so we're back inside. It was a little cold out there. So let's talk about some of the physical attributes of the earbuds themselves. Starting with the cases. So you can see there's a big difference in the case, very large difference, right? And for the amount of time that you get slightly, according to Bragi, 30 hours of use with this case because of how many times you can charge. So that may be a better solution for you, but based on my experience, I've been able to go a week with these, so I would sacrifice the size in the convenience, because this is a lot smaller and it's going to be a lot easier for me. The other thing that I just want to highlight is that this is a metal case, has its charging port right here with its LED, and then it has this little area here that you punch when you're updating and programming the earbuds. They slide out, and they're a little bit tough, and as they're charging, they're illuminated like this. They do have a magnetic locking mechanism, so here they go, and if I let them go, they're just going to fall in place and start to charge. There's a lot of functionality on these when it comes to swiping up, swiping down, taps, noise transparency, being able to hear what's going on around you. It does have that pass-through technology that you see with the Jabra Elite, and it does a really good job of it. I haven't seen a lot of things that are going in and out. I've been really happy with the overall pass-through technology that you have here. So nothing really to worry about in that area. Now, from a comfort perspective, they stay in your ears, they don't fall out. I've used these in the gym, they haven't fallen out either, but I have them sized appropriately. And in addition to the standard gels that they come with, because they have the same design where they're going to go straight into your ear canal, they don't seem to go as deep as these though. But you can actually have these custom made, very similar to what you see with musicians, if that's something that you want to do. But now you're talking about close to $600 if you get them custom fitted for you. So overall, good fit. 5-hour battery life, and then also you have this charging case that's going to give you a good experience over a week. So going back now to the Jabra Elites, you do have a more portable case. You have a similar design, although I find that these go in a little bit deeper than the other ones, and also you have a similar experience when it comes to charging. The only difference is that these are not magnetic. So these you put in place and then you close to charge. Now I will say this, while I do prefer the magnetic locking mechanism, I have at times, and literally just before doing this review, found that I didn't place them all the way in, so they hadn't charged and they actually discharged. So I find that Jabra's design, even though it lacks the battery, when you press down, it kind of makes sure that it seats them in place to make sure that they get charged. So I think that that is going to help many of you that may inadvertently not put your earbuds to charge. Now, as we spoke also last time, very comfortable. They don't fall out of your ears. I did the shake test in one of the previous videos. So I hope again that this video helps you when you're looking to consider one earbud versus the other. So guys, that concludes our comparison, right? And we focused on just a few things for the Bragi Dash Pro and the Jabra Elite 65T. If you have further comments, you know where to leave them. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get updated as more of these come out. And as always, thanks for watching.